Hey everyone, Denise here from Sewlimitless, and in today's video I wanted to share with you a little JoAnn's fabric haul that I did recently, so let's get started. So welcome back to the channel. If you're returning, if you're new, then hi, my name is Denise, and I wanted to share with you some of the plans I have and some of the fabrics that I recently purchased. So the first one is a brushed cotton plaid. This one is an orange and blue plaid. And I thought this was really nice, but the best thing about it was like 70% off. So that's actually the reason that I even went over to that section of the store. They had some of the fabrics 70% off. So this one I bought almost 3 yards. I got the end of the bolt on this one. And the idea is I think this one would be great for some type of a fall shirt, because with the brushed cotton, it almost feels like a flannel. So it's really soft. It's not like a regular cotton fabric. It really does feel like it's a flannel. So I'm thinking a shirt for the fall, like a button-up shirt for the fall, that this would be perfect for that. The next one is also a brushed cotton. I got 3 yards of this. This is a black and gray. And I'm thinking that this one would also be good for a fall jacket or shacket type of look. I've got 2 patterns here. Simplicity 9388. Still have not made this one. This is the shacket pattern. And I have another one, which is Style Arc. This is the Logan shacket. I know this one was also very popular, this one here. So I've not made either one of these. So I'm thinking that either one would be good for that black and gray, or even the orange and the blue fabric. But like I said, I'm not even sure of the yardages that's needed or whatever. So, but that's an idea that I have as far as what I might do with these fabrics. Now, next is a black linen. It's just a solid black linen. This could be a dress or some pants. Either one is very much needed in my wardrobe. So I've got this one as well. And I went ahead and bought, because all of these things were on sale when I was at the store. I don't have a particular pattern. I did get 3 yards of that one. I believe it's probably like close to 60 inches wide. So something like some kind of dress or something. We'll see. This one is also a linen, and it's called like a honey linen fabric. I got 3 yards of this, and I really like the color. But this one I'm thinking of, I would make a skirt, and this is a pattern I've used before. It's Simplicity 9267. I've made this before. I believe I made view B, which is this one here. It's more of a midi type of length. And I really love this look, this skirt. And I was able to get some buttons, because the skirt has button front, and those are the buttons that I purchased. So I'm thinking that those things will go together, and I can do that. So that will be something that's, like I said, more for the fall also, which I actually was not planning on buying anything for the fall. It's just that these are the fabrics that they had that I liked, that were in the store and were on sale. So that's how that worked out. This is in 2 pieces. This is 2 pieces of denim. They were on the same bolt, but you know how sometimes you go to JoAnn's and you think you get all excited because you see what you want and you think, oh, they've got enough. Yeah, and then they take it and it's like, oh, it's 2 pieces. So I did take both of the pieces. I still got a discount on beyond the sale, because it was the end of the bolt. It was already in 2 pieces, so it's 2 yards plus, almost 3 yards for those. And that, I'm thinking, I do want to make another Audrey denim jacket, just like the white one that I made. I do want to make another one, but with the modification that I had talked about before, where I would make these flaps into an actual pocket. Because right now the flaps on this pattern, they're just decorative. I would actually make it into a pocket. So that I should have enough to do that because, like I said, that's almost 3 yards. So anyway, that is it for this little fabric haul. If you have started sewing or even thinking about fall yet, let me know in the comments down below. Like I said, I really haven't even thought about it, but these were the fabrics that they had that were on sale that I like. Even though some of them are linen, I think depending on where you live, you can wear it most of the year into fall, certainly. So especially based on the colors that I purchased, they're more fall colors to me really than summer. Anyway, just let me know in the comments down below, and go ahead please and hit the like and subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so you will not miss another upload. And like I always say, if you have any questions or comments, leave it down below. Thank you all for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Take care, guys.